Have you ever felt like there's something more out there, something just beyond your reach, waiting to be unlocked? Maybe you've heard whispers of the law of attraction or the power of manifestation, but it all seemed too good to be true. What if I told you that the universe is constantly listening, ready to respond to your every thought, every desire? The truth is, we're all communicating with the universe, whether we realize it or not. The real question is, are you saying the right things? In this video, I'm going to reveal 6 powerful techniques that will help you tap into the universe's endless energy, allowing you to manifest the life you've always dreamed of. These aren't just theories or wishful thinking, these are practical, actionable steps that can transform your reality. So, if you're ready to learn how to speak the language of the universe and start attracting what you truly want, stick around, because you're about to discover the secrets that few ever share. Have you ever wondered why certain things just seem to fall into place, while other times, it feels like you're hitting a brick wall? The truth is, the universe is always listening, constantly responding to the thoughts and feelings you put out there. It's like a cosmic radio, picking up the frequencies you emit, even when you're not aware of it. Every thought, every emotion, sends out energy that the universe picks up on, whether it's positive or negative. By understanding this, you can start to consciously tune into the universe frequency, guiding your thoughts and feelings towards what you truly desire. Imagine walking into a room full of people, and you're radiating confidence and positivity. Others naturally gravitate towards you, eager to connect. This is a perfect example of how your energy attracts similar vibrations from the universe. If you're constantly stressed, focusing on what's going wrong, that's the kind of energy you're sending out. On the flip side, when you focus on gratitude and positivity, you're telling the universe, I'm ready for more of this. It's like placing an order with the cosmos. So, the next time you catch yourself spiraling into negativity, pause and ask, what am I broadcasting right now? This communication with the universe isn't just happening on a surface level. It's deeply intertwined with how you perceive your reality and how the universe responds in turn. It's why some people seem to have everything fall into place effortlessly, while others struggle. The key is in mastering your internal dialogue and the energy it creates. By becoming aware of this constant exchange, you open the door to intentionally shaping your reality, leading to the fulfillment of your deepest desires. But how exactly do you do that? It all begins with understanding the principles that govern this energetic interaction, like the law of vibration and attraction. 1. Tuning yourself to the right frequency. The first way to effectively communicate with the universe is by tuning yourself to the right frequency. Everything around us, including our thoughts and emotions, is in a constant state of vibration. This isn't just some abstract concept, it's a fundamental law of the universe. The law of vibration tells us that everything is made up of energy, vibrating at different frequencies. When we talk about the law of attraction, it's about how like attracts like. The energy you're vibrating, whether you're aware of it or not, draws in experiences, people, and circumstances that match that frequency. So, if you're vibrating with positivity, you'll start attracting positive experiences into your life. Think of it like tuning a radio. You have to be on the right frequency to pick up the station you want. If your thoughts are full of doubt, fear, or negativity, you're tuning into a station that's going to bring more of that into your reality. On the other hand, if you're filling your mind with affirmations of abundance, love, and success, you're tuning into a station that attracts those things into your life. It's not just about thinking happy thoughts, it's about aligning your entire vibrational being with what you want to attract. So, the next time you catch yourself in a negative thought pattern, try shifting your focus to something that uplifts your vibration. This law isn't something you turn on and off, it's constantly in motion. Whether you're actively thinking about it or not, your vibrations are attracting like vibrations from the universe. It's why some people seem to have that magic touch, effortlessly drawing in opportunities and success. They're not just lucky, they're tuned in. The good news is, you can learn to do the same. By consciously choosing your thoughts, emotions, and actions, you start to shift your vibration, and in turn, you start to attract more of what you truly desire. And one powerful way to do this is through affirmations. 2. Making affirmations. Affirmations are more than just positive statements, they're powerful tools for rewiring your subconscious mind and aligning your energy with the reality you want to create. When you repeat affirmations, you're not just speaking words, you're broadcasting a specific vibration out into the universe. These affirmations work best when they're spoken in the present tense, as if what you desire is already true. This sends a clear signal to the universe, helping to attract the circumstances and opportunities that match your affirmed reality. Imagine starting your day by saying, "I am abundant, and success flows to me effortlessly." When you say this with conviction, you're not just hoping for abundance, you're claiming it. Over time, this practice begins to reshape your beliefs and your vibrational state, aligning you with the energy of abundance. It's not about blindly repeating phrases but about feeling the truth of these words as if they were already part of your life. This emotional connection supercharges the energy you're sending out, making your affirmations even more potent. The beauty of affirmations lies in their simplicity. You don't need to set aside hours of your day. Even a few minutes in the morning or before bed can make a significant difference. You can also record yourself saying your affirmations and listen to them throughout the day, reinforcing the positive energy you're creating. This continuous reinforcement helps to maintain your vibrational alignment, keeping you on the path towards manifesting your desires. And as you practice this, you'll notice how your thoughts naturally begin to shift, creating a ripple effect in every aspect of your life. But to take this even further, let's explore how you can consciously control your vibration. 3. Conscious vibration control. Being aware of your vibrational state is like holding the key to your personal reality. Every thought, emotion, and action you take emits a specific frequency that resonates with similar energies in the universe. The more conscious you become of this, the more power you have to shape your experiences. Conscious vibration control is about intentionally shifting your energy towards positivity, love, and gratitude, which in turn attracts experiences that match those higher vibrations. This isn't just a one-time effort, it's a continuous practice that can transform your life from the inside out. For instance, have you ever noticed how a simple act of gratitude can completely change your mood? When you focus on what you're thankful for, your entire energy shifts. This is conscious vibration control in action. It's not just about thinking positive thoughts but about embodying them, letting them guide your actions and interactions. The next time you're feeling low, try a quick gratitude exercise, list 3 things you're genuinely thankful for, and feel the shift in your energy. This simple practice can raise your vibration, aligning you with more positive experiences throughout your day. Conscious vibration control is also about being mindful of what lowers your vibration. Negative self-talk, toxic environments, or even the content you consume can bring your energy down. By being aware of these influences, you can make better choices that keep your vibration high. This might mean setting boundaries, choosing uplifting media, or practicing self-compassion. As you become more skilled at managing your vibration, you'll find that life flows more smoothly, and you're naturally drawn to people and opportunities that resonate with your higher frequency. This practice of conscious control is deeply connected with other techniques, like meditation and prayer. 4. Meditation and prayer. Meditation and prayer are profound ways to bridge the gap between your inner world and the vast universe around you. These practices allow you to quiet the noise of everyday life and tune into the subtle energies that connect you with the universe. Meditation, in particular, creates a space of stillness where you can listen to the guidance that often gets drowned out by daily distractions. It's in this quiet that the universe can speak back to you, offering insights, clarity, and a sense of peace that aligns your vibration with your deepest desires. Think of meditation as setting the stage for communication with the universe. By quieting your mind, you create a clear channel for the energy and messages of the universe to flow through. Even just a few minutes a day can make a significant difference. For example, Starting your morning with a meditation that focuses on your intentions for the day can align your vibration with those goals, setting a positive tone. Similarly, ending your day with a gratitude meditation helps you reflect on what went well, reinforcing positive vibrations before sleep. Prayer, on the other hand, is a more active form of communication. It's a heartfelt conversation with the universe, where you express your desires, seek guidance, or simply give thanks. Unlike traditional views of prayer, this doesn't have to be tied to any specific religion. It's about connecting with the universe in a way that feels authentic to you. Whether you're asking for guidance, expressing gratitude, or setting intentions, prayer helps you articulate your desires, sending them out into the universe with clarity and conviction. As you combine meditation and prayer, you deepen your connection with the universe, paving the way for your desires to manifest. And to amplify this further, visualization comes into play. 5. Visualization. Visualization is one of the most powerful tools for manifesting your desires. It's not just about seeing your goals in your mind's eye, it's about fully immersing yourself in the experience as if it's already happening. When you visualize, you're engaging your imagination to create a vivid mental picture of what you want to attract. This mental imagery sends strong signals to the universe, aligning your energy with the reality you wish to create. The clearer and more detailed your visualization, the stronger the energetic message you send out. Imagine you're striving to achieve a particular goal, like landing your dream job. Visualization goes beyond merely thinking about the position. Close your eyes and picture yourself in the role, feel the excitement as you walk into the office, sense the confidence in your voice as you speak in meetings, and even imagine the satisfaction of achieving your first big success in that job. By engaging all your senses in this practice, you're not only sending out the right energy but also convincing your subconscious mind that this reality is possible, making it more likely that you'll take the actions needed to make it happen. The key to effective visualization is consistency and emotion. It's not just about doing it once, it's about making it a regular part of your routine. Set aside time each day to visualize your goals, feeling the emotions associated with achieving them. This emotional engagement is crucial because it amplifies the energy you're sending out, making your visualization even more potent. As you practice this, you'll start noticing changes in how you perceive opportunities, how you approach challenges, and even how others respond to you. Visualization is a dynamic process that strengthens your connection with the universe, helping you draw your desires into your reality. To make this even more tangible, writing letters to the universe can be an incredibly effective complement. 6. Writing. Writing letters to the universe is a powerful way to manifest your desires by putting your intentions into words. This practice adds a tangible element to the process, helping you clarify your thoughts and emotions as you engage your mind, body, and spirit in the act of writing. When you write a letter to the universe, you're not just making a wish, you're crafting a clear and deliberate message that outlines exactly what you want to attract. This focused intention creates a strong energetic signal that the universe can respond to. Picture yourself sitting down with a pen and paper, ready to pour out your deepest desires. You might start by addressing the universe directly, like a trusted friend. Dear universe, I am ready to receive. As you write, be specific about what you want to manifest, and write in the present tense as if it's already happening. For example, if you're seeking financial abundance, you might write, I am grateful for the financial prosperity that flows into my life effortlessly. I am living in abundance and sharing my wealth generously. This act of writing not only clarifies your intentions but also solidifies your belief in their realization. After writing your letter, you can choose to keep it somewhere safe, revisit it periodically, or even perform a small ritual like burning it to release your intentions into the universe. The key is to let go of any attachment to the outcome, trusting that the universe will respond in the best possible way. Writing these letters can be a deeply personal and reflective practice that strengthens your connection with the universe and keeps your intentions clear and focused. As you combine this with the other techniques, you'll find yourself more aligned with the energy of your desires, making it easier for the universe to deliver what you've asked for. You've just learned 6 powerful ways to talk to the universe, and now the ball is in your court. Are you ready to start using these techniques to manifest the life you've always wanted? Remember, the universe is always listening, but it's up to you to send out the right signals. Which of these methods will you try first? Will you start your day with affirmations, or maybe you'll carve out time for meditation? Whatever you choose, know that by taking action, you're already one step closer to aligning with the energy of your desires. But don't stop here. This is just the beginning of your journey with the universe. Keep experimenting, keep refining, and most importantly, keep believing. As you do, you'll start to notice the subtle shifts in your life, the opportunities that seem to come out of nowhere, the way things just start to fall into place. It's all connected to the energy you're putting out there. If you're serious about transforming your life, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss out on the next steps in your journey to mastering the art of manifestation. Let's keep learning and growing together, because when you talk to the universe, the possibilities are truly endless.